Magandang hapon po ng Friday, November 24, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Friday, November 24, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 24, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, November 24, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 153 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 36 million pesos for November 24, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, November 24, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.